प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल in that अब तक ये find out कि DNA right in majority organisms bacteriophages and other higher organisms they have DNA as the main genetic material. Do we have DNA? Yes. Do we have RNAs? Yes. mRNA नहीं form होगा right? We have DNA as well as what? RNA. But which one is our dominant one? DNA, right? Certain viruses are there. That viruses, recall which viruses have RNA as genome? Retroviruses, right? Or else पता है कुछ plant viruses, animal viruses we have learned in 11th standard. Animal viruses, plant viruses, which one? याद है? In which one that's a single stranded RNA as a genome? Also. So plant viruses and the animal viruses that have what? RNA as genome and certain other organisms, right? So now, you know viroids? Viroids have what? RNA, DNA, proteins, which one? RNA as genome, right? So now, properties of genetic material DNA versus RNA. From the foregoing discussion, it's clear that the debate between proteins versus RNA or DNA as the genetic material was unequivocally resolved from Hershey and Chase experiment. Another name of this experiment? Blending experiment. Pause this. And it became an established fact that it is DNA that acts as genetic material. However, it subsequently became clear that in some viruses underline this. Which virus name is given? QB bacteriophage. Which one? QB bacteriophage. And one more given, that is the tobacco mosaic virus, TMV. So tobacco mosaic virus, QB bacteriophage. See, generally bacteriophages have DNA. Generally bacteriophages have what? DNA. ये exceptional में count होगा. QB bacteriophages have which genetic material? RNA. Clear? MCQ के लिए ये topic prepare करना है. Next one. RNA performs dynamic functions of messenger as well as adapter. Messenger, you know 3 types of RNA. Which are they? mRNA, tRNA, right? mRNA carries the message from where to where? From DNA. Means nucleus to cytoplasm. है ना? Now, next is a which one? Adapter molecule. Adapter सुना है आपने in general? Charger, है ना? And I told you कि जैसे ही mRNA encounter होता है with the ribosome, right? tRNA gets charged, tRNA gets activated and carries that amino acids linked with peptide bond and form proteins, right? So tRNA basically acts as a adapter. That acts as a which one? Adapter, right? Next, so RNA performs dynamic functions of messenger and adapter has to be found from the differences between chemical structures of the 2 nucleic acid molecules. Now, can you recall the differences between DNA and RNA? First difference, DNA, double stranded. RNA, single stranded. Next, which sugar in DNA? RNA. Next, which purines are present in DNA? Which purines are present in RNA? डिफरेंस कहाँ पे होता है? pyrimidine में, purines में नहीं. Which one? Pyrimidines. Which pyrimidines are present in DNA? Cytosine and thymine. Which pyrimidines are present in RNA? So main difference कहाँ पे? If thymine then DNA. If uracil then RNA, right? Next one. डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर है डीएनए में, राइट? सो वो कौन इन दैट कहां से वो ऑक्सीजन रिमूव होता है? सेकेंड पोजीशन. वेयरएज आरएनए हैज दैट ओएच ग्रुप ऑन द सेकेंड पोजीशन, राइट? ओएच है, हाइड्रोक्साइल ग्रुप है, यस और नो? यू नो दैट्स द थर्ड कार्बन, वहां पे ओएच होता है. दैट ओएच लिंक टू व्हाट? फॉस्फेट ऑफ एडजेसेंट न्यूक्लियाइड, मेक अ बॉन्ड. नाउ बट आरएनए में सेकेंड पे भी तो वही है OH, Yes or no? That OH also can make a bond with other. So which one gets more stable? DNA or RNA? DNA, because RNA has that 2 prime OH, means second carbon पे क्या है? OH group, which is the most reactive group. So RNA that is can be easily changed compared to the which one? DNA. So अगर DNA और RNA में भी हमें find out करना which one is the most stable genetic material, which one? DNA. One of the reason that is the which one? Second carbon OH group present on DNA or RNA? RNA, right? Now, next one, a molecule. 2 marks question के लिए आपको learn करना है 4 points. A molecule that can act as genetic material must fulfill this 4 criteria, right? 4 criteria in that. The first criteria here, that is what? अगर genetic material है, right? So first word is given replication. रेप्लिका का मीनिंग क्या होता है? मिरर इमेज. रेप्लिका का मीनिंग क्या है? मिरर इमेज. आप मिरर के सामने खड़े रहो तो आपका ही इमेज होता है ना एग्जैक्ट सेम, या कुछ चेंज हो जाता है? नहीं, राइट? सो रेप्लिकेशन, रेप्लिका मीनिंग मिरर इमेज फॉर्म करना है. क्लियर? सो इन दिस वन, एबल टू जनरेट इट्स ओन रेप्लिका, able to generate its own replica. Can proteins can generate its own replica? Yes or no? No, it needs the message from DNA. But DNA का duplication possible है कि नहीं है? Yes or no? RNA भी है in certain जिसमें RNA as a genetic material है ना? So now which molecules we consider as a nucleic acid, as a genetic material basically? So first ये criteria होना चाहिए कि that can able to generate their own replica, because when one cell divides into 2 cells, equal same kind of that genetic material distributed to 2 daughter cells. Clear? Second criteria क्या है? They should be what? Chemically and structurally stable. Clear? Third one, provide the mutations needed for evolution, right? Mutations are required. Mutation से क्या होता है? First genotype change and that leads to phenotype change. जैसे अभी S strain and R strain का एक बात था, है ना? So in that R strain can change their phenotype when S strain genetic material enter into that. Yes or no? That A virulent से क्या हो गया? Virulent. So it's a one kind of, we consider which one? Mutation, right? So that new kind of organisms development process gradually start and we call it a evolution. Stable नहीं हो, rigidity नहीं होना चाहिए. In that if some minor variation occur, that should be the allowed, because that minor, not major, minor variations leads to mutation, mutations leads to change in genotype, genotype से वो phenotype, new characters development start होता है. It's required for evolution. Clear? Next, ability to express as which characters? Meaning of this line, ability to express as Mendelian characters, meaning we have pair of chromosome, one from mother, one from father, right? Hypothetically think कि mother से small t आ रहा है, father से capital T आ रहा है, right? So which one get expressed? Pair of chromosome, pair of alleles on that homologous, right? Which one get expressed? Dominant. Which one? Dominant get expressed. तो ये भी होना चाहिए. The one which dominant, that should be expressed. Clear? So ये इसके main criteria है, right? That first criteria is a which one? Ability to generate its replica. Second, chemically and structurally stable. Third, provides mutations. Mutations for what? Evolution. And the last one, express themselves as a Mendelian characters. बोलिए. Clear? Pause. One examines each requirement one by one. Because of the rules of base pairing and complementary, both the nucleic acid DNA and RNA have the ability to direct their duplications. The other molecule in the living system, such as proteins, fail to fulfill this first criteria itself. First criteria meaning which one? Proteins can form their replica? Never. Right? तो वहां से ही वो genetic material के criteria में fulfill नहीं, cannot be accepted. Next, the genetic material should be stable enough not to change with different stages of life cycle, age, or with change in physiology of the organism. Stability as one of the properties of genetic material was very evident in Griffith transforming principle. Pause. The genetic material should not be stable enough not to change with different stages of life cycle, age, or with change in physiology of the organism, right? Physiology related to what? Functions, right? Of the cell, tissue, organs. Stability as one of the property of genetic material was very evident in Griffith transforming principle. Yes or no? Right? Of genetic material was, Griffith transforming principle itself that heat which killed the bacteria at least did not destroy some of the properties of genetic material. This now can easily be explained in light of the DNA that two strands being complementary, if separated by heating, come together when appropriate conditions are provided, right? See, one next. This now can easily be explained in light of DNA that two strands being what? Complementary, if separated by heating, come together when appropriate conditions are provided. Next, further underline this now. Further, second number carbon OH group present at every nucleotide in case of DNA or RNA. तो DNA में क्या होता है? Only hydrogen. So that makes the RNA as a most reactive group and makes RNA labile and easily degradable, right? RNA labile meaning what? Easily can be changed. I told you OH group can make a bond with any other easily, right? So that OH group, that is the which one? RNA. Due to the OH group, RNA becomes what? Most labile. Right? Labile meaning easily change, right? Easily change in a different form. Next one, RNA is also now, okay, RNA labile and easily degradable. RNA is also now known to be catalytic, hence reactive. Catalytic meaning what? If you can recall, all enzymes are made up of except राइबोजाइम. तो वो राइबोजाइम किससे बना है? आरएनए से. सो आरएनए मैसेंजर है, ट्रांसफर है, राइबोसोम में भी है, but at the same time it also helps in a which one? Acts as a catalyst enzyme. Clear? So that's why here mentioned it is also known for as a catalytic role, hence reactive. Therefore DNA chemically is less reactive. Remember, DNA cannot act as an enzyme, right? DNA cannot act as an enzyme. RNA can act as an enzyme. Example, ribozyme. So DNA chemically more stable है, but less reactive है, right? Structurally more stable compared to the RNA. Therefore, among the two nucleic acids, DNA is the better genetic material compared to RNA. So if ask 2 mark question के लिए या फिर assertion reason के लिए, right? Assertion अगर ये है that RNA can be easily degradable. RNA can be easily degradable. Reason from your side? Reason? Second carbon has which one? OH group. RNA becomes more labile. Again, reason same. Next one, compared to the, okay, two statement. DNA is high reactive and structurally less stable. So DNA is less reactive and more stable compared to RNA or proteins? RNA. Next, in fact, the presence of thymine at the place of uracil, that also provides what? Stability. एक तो second carbon पे difference होता है, DNA में hydrogen, sugar में, and in case of RNA, OH group. Next is a which one? Presence of thymine at the place of uracil in case of DNA. that provides stability. Both DNA and RNA are able to mutate. Yes or no? DNA में भी mutation possible है कि नहीं? At very slow rate. किसमें faster होगा? Why? Unstable. RNA is a, I told you that double strand है, one is a which one? Single strand. इसको मैं easily change कर सकती हूँ mutate. यहाँ पे base pairing है, adenine है तो thymine है, यहाँ पे single ही है, right? So RNA is a single stranded structure that can be easily mutated at a very faster rate, right? Now, and that's why you know that coronavirus के different variants within a 1 year we have got so many variants. पता है ओमिक्रॉन आया था, डेल्टा आया था, वो सब कोरोना की वेरिएंट्स है because that coronavirus COVID-19 has which genome? RNA, and that can be mutated at a very faster rate. Clear? Next, consequently, viruses having RNA genome and having shorter lifespan mutate and evolve faster. Understood this? Why shorter lifespan mentioned? Because suppose one RNA है आज आपके पास, right? Within a next day, maybe in that mutation occur or sequence get changed, तो original तो change हो गया कि नहीं? Lifespan change. Clear? Understood this? RNA can directly code for the synthesis for protein, hence can easily express the characters. DNA, however, is dependent on RNA for what? Synthesis of proteins. Yes or no? RNA तो easily read हो जाएगा by ribosomes to form proteins, right? DNA cannot cross nuclear pore. Yes or no? Only mRNA can cross, right? Next, the protein synthesizing machinery has evolved around RNA. The above discussion indicate that both RNA and DNA can function as genetic material, but DNA is being more stable and is preferred for storage of genetic information. For the transmission of genetic information, RNA is better. Okay. Clear? Understood? Sure? Any